Hello team, Mike here from the IT department. Today I would like to go over the instructions about how to do the PC validation instructions. Okay, so you should receive this document and either email or text. So with instructions here, step by step, these are very simple. Step number one is to get the computer specs. Step number two is to get the internet connection speed, and the number three is to send them both to our validation email. So I'll walk you through these fairly simple steps so that you will know exactly what you need to do. All right, so let's start with the computer specs. First of all, let's go to this link. So this is Spexy. It's a free software by CCleaner, the makers of CCleaner. If you want to go find it manually, you can go to Google. You can go to Spexy. Go to the free section, and it will take you here. But anyways, I provided you the link already, so you don't have to do all these steps. All right, so I have downloaded it multiple times, so I'm just gonna run it once. So once you download the software, just click on run, click on yes. Click on install. You can uncheck this box and run Spexy. Then you should see something like this. Right now it's scanning. Let's give it a minute so that it finishes the scanning. All right, it's about done. Now you can go here to file. Well, actually, let's go step by step. So step number one was to download. Step number two was to install. Step number three is to run, which is already. And step number 4 is to export in a PDF format. So let's go to Spexy. From here, we're going to export by going to File, Print. Now, Microsoft already have a printer for PDFs. This is basically a simulator, a virtual printer that will print everything that a normal printer will print, but instead of print it into an actual document, it will print it into a virtual PDF file. So this is what we want. We want to print as a PDF file and hit print. Then just select the location. For this location, we're gonna do here. This is just my computer. You can put it anywhere on your computer. And as for the name, on the instructions, you have step-by-step instructions anyways. But let me just go here. Put your full name and the PC specs. So it should look something like this. Let's just say that this is Mike Jones, and this is the PC specs. Okay, and it will print into PDF format. Save. That's it for this one. We can close it, and we can uninstall it afterwards if you want. Then for the next step, that's step number 1 completed. Step number 2 is to get your internet connection speed. For that, we can use either page. We can use speedtest.net or fast.com. These are the two websites that we will recognize. So you can just, let's go here. Let's go to fast.com, for example. This page will start right away, and it's clean. It doesn't have ads, so I highly suggest it. So once the speed is done, you'll see that this pops up in the bottom. If you click it, you'll see that it's still going. Right now, this is the download speed, and this right here is the upload speed. These are two different speeds. Usually when you buy internet, you're given this speed, but this is also another speed that is required for for the internet to work. So this is finished. If you need to run it again, just click here. But once you're finished, you will have something like this. Now we need to do something similar to the other process. We need to print into a PDF file. For that, I'm using Chrome. So in Chrome, you can do this. You can go here on the settings and you can go to print. Here on the printer, on destination, you will have the list of printers. If you have a physical printer, it will show here. Otherwise, you can save as a PDF. Very similar to the other setting that I did. It's a virtual PDF printer. So once here, click on save, and you will need to put a name on this. So let's just say that the name here is Mike Jones, my name, for example, and internet speed. Make sure it's in PDF format and save. See, just like that, we have our two documents. Okay, these are my two documents, my PDF documents. Then you need to send this to us, to the IT department, attached to in an email. And I'm gonna give an example. I'm gonna open my personal email, and I'm gonna write a new email. Here, I'm gonna type the name, the email that we need to send this to, which is validation@1840.com. Subject. I'm gonna go towards the bottom of the instruction file, which contains the subject. The subject is your full name and validation documents. Okay. Here's an example. For Mike Jones, you can do Mike Jones - internet speed and Mike Jones PC specs. Oh wait, this is the files. Yeah, this is the subject, your name and the validation documents. So let's do Mike Jones validation files. See, you can type just a simple email. Hello. Okay, and from here you can just attach the files. This is an example using Firefox, but you can use any other software you want. Here are my two documents. Okay, attach them in the bottom and send. All right, guys, it's very simple. You can go, if you need more than this video, you can also check the instructions here that we did for you. They will walk you step by step on how to do the same process that I just did, but I believe that a video will actually be a little bit faster. So you have both options. You can see it through the video or you can see it on the written instructions. Either way, it's the same process. Please make sure that you attach both PDF files on the email and send them to the correct email, validation@1840enco.com. If you don't do it this way, your process will not go through. Okay, very important. So thank you for watching.